what is climate change? Basically, climate change is the increased temperature in our Earth, so which I will talk more. And in my PowerPoint, so today I'll talk to you about is the world getting warmer? If so, what are the actions of mankind to blame for? And as a human, what we can do? I'll talk about that. So this is the Earth. As we all know, this is that is the sun. That is the solar energy we see, and we reflect the solar energy as well. And it is the same process. And that is the radiation, which I will talk more about the cooling and the radiation that is hitting. And that is a picture of temperature getting warmer. And this is ice, which I will talk more on next present. And this is a greenhouse effect. I have more explanation in the next PowerPoint. So these are the air, the gas, what do we call it? These are the chemicals that is considered as greenhouse gases. For example, nitrogen and oxygen are non-greenhouse gases, and water, carbon dioxide, and methane are natural greenhouse gases, which is a 1%, and non-greenhouse gases consider about 99% of atmospheric gases. And this is a sun. That one is a wavelength radiation, and that is the planet. It's just giving you an example of Earth, and the small example of planets. And this is how much we emit greenhouse gases. The US emit about 6.4 billion metric ton of the year from greenhouse gases, which include all the gases that I talked before. So carbon dioxide stayed in a year for almost 100 years, and warming, which helped to increase the temperature. And this is so methane lasts for 12 years, and it takes 100 years to in an atmosphere. And this is a carbon emission from 1750s to 1950s. It looks like we are not producing so much gas fuel, but when industrial revolution started, that's when all the industries started using fossil as alternative resource for energy. So that's the gas fuel. This is the solar fuel. Look at from 1850s, the solar fuel we started increase up, and from 2000, this is such a huge figure from zero. This is a used figure, and another one is a liquid fuel, and this is a total fuel. This is from here, from 1750s to 1880s. Everything seems alright, but after all the industrial revolution started, all the carbon emission started, and it became very high. And this is the carbon annual emission. So, which is so this one is in average, and another then this curve, and this one is atmospheric CO2. The future of carbon dioxide level. Increased CO2 emission, especially in China and developing countries. likely to double within 150 years. And um, I think that figure will be more because the country will still use a coal, increase in natural gas uses, and decrease petroleum uses. So I think if we look at all this amount, we see that is increasing the weather pattern is increasing. So I think it is time to move forward on renewable energy instead of non-renewable energy. And in US, households contribute about 40% to climate change, which is just a few examples of tobacco, home heat electricity, tobacco meaning the gas we use, home heating meaning the electricity that we get from companies where it is generated by fossil fuel. So reduce our standard, how we can how fossil fuel contribute to the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases emission are tied very close to our energy consumption. Using less fossil fuel, waste energy puts few greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. So, which is like a mountaintop rule for coal mining. One in West Virginia, and 50% of electricity in the United States is produced from coal. So, small changes, what we can do, we can change our refrigerator, the old one to the new one. Wash clothes in a cold water only. Reduce our garbage by 10% for a greater recycle to reduce packaging. What this is saying is it don't take a lot of work to do it. So how many of you use a bicycle to go anywhere? At home or how many times? Once in a year, twice a year?
Pretty much all the time.
Pretty much all the time. How about in campus? They use your car as well. So I think if we use this car and start walking, which is good for health and it will contribute to the climate as well, to a positive contribution. So this says, how many of you walk bicycle or to public transportation to get by school today instead of coming by private automobile? Our reliance on the car that burn fossil fuel is one of the major causes for increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and it is primarily causes of urbanism. Like here, if you look back in foreign countries like the capital city of Nepal, it is completely filled with the smog. The pollution, so bad. It's so bad in foreign countries. And the amount of deforestation that is going on. If you look at Brazil, the amount of tree they have cut in the last 10 years is so high. So I just want all of us to take a message from you. Each of us, if we take like a small step, which I will from today, and which I started as part of my research from other classes when I read the facts, the amount of usage we do. From that I started contributing myself a little bit, like let walk to classes instead of catching bus, and if it is possible, like 5-10 minutes, why not walk instead of car? So that's what I have learned, and I hope all of us learn something from my